Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a Snoot effect using a solid color. So in the previous video I showed how I got this overlay, how I added the overlay, how I removed blemishes from the background. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create Snoot effect using our curve adjustment layer and our solid color. So let me jump into it straight up. So I'll go to my elliptical marquee tool. I'll click on it. So the area I want it to apply on, so I'm just going to drag over it like this. Drag over it. I will arrange it where I want it to be. So I'm going to invert it. I'll right click on inverse, select inverse. So then I'll go to my curve adjustment layer over here, click on it, go to my solid color. I'll make sure it's on black. I'll click on it. So I'll reduce the opacity right now. Reduce the opacity. See, I see fit. Click OK. So I'll click on my layer mask over here. I'll click on it. Then I'll go to my filter. Under filter I'll go to blur. Under blur I'll go to Gaussian blur. So I'm going to increase my blur. As you can see, I'm using 150 right now. Look how real it looks. So I'm going to reduce it. You can decide to use any amount you want. Depends on how you like it. And you can later increase it also. I think I'll be going with 58. 58 is okay. So I'll click on my OK. Ctrl T to transform. I can just increase it. Just have to drag it. Then make few amendments to it till I see it. Then I click on my OK. Just as easy as that, creating a Snoot effects. There are also other ways on creating Snoot effects, but in this particular picture, this is the step I decided to make use of. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me via my WhatsApp, Instagram handle, and also on Facebook, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.